This video I will explain what is Google Ads and how it works. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is an online advertising platform created by Google. It helps businesses, shop owners, website owners, and app owners to show their ads to people on Google when those people are searching for something related. In simple words, Google Ads helps businesses to show ads to the right people at the right time. Where do Google Ads appear? Ads created using Google Ads can appear in many places, like on Google search, top or bottom of the search results, on YouTube, on websites that shows Google Ads, inside mobile apps. These ads look like normal search results, but they are marked as ads. Now we will see why do businesses use Google Ads. Businesses use Google Ads to get more customers, get more website visits, get more phone calls, and increase sales. Instead of waiting for customers to find them, businesses reach out directly using ads. Now we will see how Google Ads works step by step. Step 1. Advertiser chooses a keyword. A keyword is a word or sentence that people search on Google. For example, mobile repair shop near me, buy shoes online. Businesses choose keywords related to what they sell. Step 2. User searches on Google. A user types something into Google. For example, best bakery near me. This search tells the Google what the user wants right now. Step 3. Google runs an ad auction. When a search happens, Google runs a quick auction. An auction means Google checks which ads are best to show for that particular search. Google looks at which businesses choose that keyword, how useful their ad is, how much they are willing to pay. This happens in less than a second. Step 4. Ads are shown to the user. Google shows the most useful ads from businesses related to the search. Ads usually appear at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. Step 5. Businesses pays only when someone clicks. This is very important. In most cases, you do not pay when ad is shown. You pay only when someone clicks the ad. This is called pay per click, meaning you pay only for clicks. Now we will see what is pay per click. Pay per click means you pay money only when someone clicks your ad, not when it is just displayed. This helps control spending. What makes one ad better than another ad? Google decides which ad to show based on ad quality, how helpful the ad is, keyword relevance, how closely it matches the search, landing page quality, where the ad sends the user, bid amount, how much the advertiser is willing to pay. This means higher payment alone does not guarantee the top position. Now we will see types of Google Ads. Google Ads has different ad types. Search ads, text ads on Google search, display ads, image ads on websites, video ads, ads on YouTube, app ads, ads for mobile apps, shopping ads, product ads with price and image. Beginners usually start with search ads. Is Google Ads expensive? Google Ads is flexible. You decide your daily budget. You can start with a small amount. You can stop ads anytime. There is no fixed cost. Who should use Google Ads? Google Ads is useful for small businesses, local shops, online sellers, service providers, freelancers, and large companies. Anyone who wants more visibility and customers can use it. Important things to remember. Google Ads shows ads to people who are already searching. You pay mainly for clicks. You control your budget. Results can be seen quickly. The summary is Google Ads is an online advertising system that helps businesses to show ads to people on Google and pay mainly when someone clicks the ad.